Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we have an awesome recipe for you. We're making super moist, super delicious blueberry crumb cake. Let's go. These are the ingredients. We have fresh washed blueberries. We're using 2 eggs, brown sugar, cinnamon, milk, oil, all-purpose flour, pure vanilla extract, baking powder, butter. You know we need the butter, okay? Sugar, and there you have it. So we're starting with the crumb, and the first thing that we're gonna do is melt some of that butter. Butter, baby. Okay, we are melting that butter, and then we want to add some flour to the mix, and then we're adding some sugar. Put in some sugar, baby. Sugar to the mix, okay? And then if granulated sugar wasn't enough, we're adding some brown sugar, okay? And we can't forget about the salt to bring out the flavor. And some cinnamon for extra flavor, all right? So now we just want to mix that up. And as you're mixing, it will create a crumble. The reason why I love using melted butter to make the crumble in this recipe is because it makes the process so much easier. The crumbles form so easily, you don't have to put your fingers in it, and then you're done. You see, we have our crumbles. They're ready. Nice and close, see? All right. Now let's make our cake portion. We're creaming together room temperature butter and sugar. Give me that sugar. All right. And we want to make sure that it creams well and that it's nice and fluffy. Time to add the eggs. It's time to add the eggs. So we're adding the eggs, and then it should come together and be nice and smooth and funky. All right. So nice and smooth. Be sure to scrape down the bowl. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. What are you waiting for? Like, share, and subscribe. Now let's add our vanilla extract. We're going to mix that in. And then we want to add our flour. Make sure that the flour is sifted and also the baking powder. Sifting the baking powder and the flour makes for a lighter cake. So now we have more mixing to do, and we want to make sure that all of it is incorporated very well. Now let's add our milk. We're going to add the milk in little by little. Okay, so we don't want to overwhelm the batter with throwing the milk in all at once. Let's finish the milk off, and then you'll see how creamy and how silky this batter is. Also, make sure that you scrape down the sides of the bowl and make sure all of that is incorporated into the batter too. And then we're adding in our vegetable oil, a neutral flavored oil, and then salt. Can't forget the salt. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold the salt in and mix it with my spatula. Time to add our blueberries. All right, let's add our blueberries. I'm just using about 1/4 of the container in the mixture. And then just like we did the salt, we're folding them in, folding those blueberries in, okay? I found my thrill on Blueberry Hill. Who knows that song? Old school, old school. Now we're gonna pour our batter into the baking dish. Make sure that your baking dish is greased. Some people like to grease in flour. I don't necessarily like the flour portion, so I just grease it. and it comes out all the same, okay? So we're just pouring that batter in. We want to make sure we get every little piece and bit of the batter. And we're going to make sure that the batter is evenly distributed in the baking dish, okay? And so just for good measure, and because we have them, let's add some more blueberries on, okay? Blueberry, we just want extra blueberries, all right? And we got our crumble. I crumble, crumble, crumble. So it's crumble time, all right? The finishing touches of crumble. And we're going to distribute that over that. We just want to make sure that every portion of the cake batter is covered with crumble. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see it? Yes, it is time to bake. All right. Do you see this luscious, delicious, moist, rich blueberry crumble cake that we have made? Here's a slice. Here's a slice to you, slice to life. All right, with our blueberry crumble. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for you to make this and let me know all about it, okay? Our blueberry crumble, our delicious blueberry crumb cake. We did it. Don't forget to visit chefdarleneb.com. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and be a blessing. It's the year of the blessing, y'all. Take care. Bye.